Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we'll discuss about order by keyword in SQL, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about select keyword, right? So in this class, we'll discuss about order by keyword in SQL. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, I have created the database called products, right? So in that database products, I have created the table called products again. So inside, I have created the product underscore ID, which is integer type, and another one is product underscore name, which is varchar, right? And the third one is product underscore price, which is integer type, right? So I have inserted some values into this table, right? Some random values, and which is the product prices and product name and the product ID, right? So if I want to print this table, so what statement I have to use? I have to use select star from products and click on execute. So then you'll be having the table and the output, right? This is our table, right? So coming to the order by keyword. So order by keyword is used to turn the column values from ascending order to the descending order by default. So what I'm saying is this order by keyword is defaultly turning these column values from ascending order to the descending order, right? I hope you understand. For example, we are having this product price. So we are having 80,000, 9,000, 14,000, 18,000, and 30,000, right? So if I want to turn these values from ascending order to descending order, so what keyword I have to use? I have to use this order by keyword. First of all, I have to write select start from products and order by keyword, and after that I have to specify the column name, which is product price, right? So just copy like this and click on execute. Then you'll be having the ascending order to the descending order. See 9,000, 40,000, 18,000, 30,000, and the 80,000. So in this way, we can do the order by we can do the ascending order to the descending order by using order by keyword. And if we want to do the descending order also, just you have to add DESC, right? So which is descending. So descending order shortcut is DESC, right? Just you have to specify this thing and copy like this and click on execute. See, now we are having descending order to the ascending order. First we are having 80,000. After that we are having 30,000, 18,000, 14,000, and 9,000, right? I hope you understand. So likewise, we can do the ascending and the descending order for the product underscore name. For the name also, we can do the ascending order and the descending order. For example, if I remove this DESC, which is descending order, and copy like this and click on execute, then you will be having first one is iPhone, Lava Blaze, OnePlus, Oppo, and Realme. See here we are having I, L, O, O, and R. So it is sorted in the form of alphabetical order. So in the alphabetical order, we are having I as the first, after that L, after that O, and after that R, right? So in the same way, if you want to descending order, just you have to specify DESC. Copy like this and click on execute. See, now we are having R as the first, after that O, and L, I, right? So in this way, we can perform the ascending and the descending order by using this keyword order by in SQL, right? I hope you understand all these things. So if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat I'll definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from the video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.